Worldwide Smart Cities. Industry Predictions 2018. Prediction 1. In 2018, a communications services provider will step forward to be a digital hero, developing a collaborative strategy to grow smart communities, resulting in 50% improvement in broadband coverage in the municipalities with which it partners. Prediction 2. In 2018, 30% of major global cities will develop an outcomes-based smart city IoT platform strategy to connect devices, collect and manage data from various city domains and tech suppliers, will rapidly deploy new solutions, and will create a unified view of the city. Prediction 3. By 2019, 25% of mid-sized to large cities will feel the effects of digital transformation on revenue in parking and transit collections, options for ad-based revenue, and potential premium data services offerings. Prediction 4. By 2019, 1/3 of major cities will regulate ride-hailing companies as public transit providers to combat congestion, improve rider safety, and reduce liabilities in procuring first and last-mile transit options. Prediction 5. By 2019, 20% of local, state, and regional governments globally will develop blockchain initiatives to reduce operational and processing costs, improve data integrity and sharing, and embed security and privacy protocols into registries and contracts. Prediction 6. By 2019, up to 50% of smart city projects globally will be funded via PPPs, non-profits, or MOOs as cities and tech vendors seek new ways to work together beyond traditional procurement models. Prediction 7. By 2020, at least 3 large-scale urban initiatives will allow individuals to personally interact with objects, such as street lights, street kiosks, and tourist structures, to access new experiences, information, and services. Prediction 8. In response to developments in connected vehicles and pressures for improved safety, by 2020, 20% of mid-sized to large cities will begin to implement V2X capabilities to optimize traffic flow and significantly reduce collisions. Prediction 9. By 2020, 15% of large global city and state emergency management organizations will use a combination of augmented and virtual reality solutions to improve situational awareness with remote incident management and virtual subject matter expertise. Prediction 10. Because of smart cities increasing exposure to cyber attack, by 2020, 70% of national governments will create and enforce common cybersecurity standards, such as data management rules and connectivity security, for all levels of government. Contact Outsourcebigdata team for more details. We are a trusted partner for digital IT, bioanalytics, automation, and data management. We have our presence in USA, Australia and India. Thank you.